Learn today. Adverbs. Grade 2, Class 2. Identify the adverbs from the given options. The angry peacock looked everywhere for its beautiful feathers. The options are looked, angry, everywhere, beautiful. The answer is everywhere. Identify the adverbs from the given options. Did you sleep well? The options are sleep, did, well, you. The answer is well. She is not intelligent enough. The options are she, intelligent, enough, not. The adverb is enough. Why are you always complaining? The options are why, complaining, always, you. The adverb is always. My lazy dog always takes long naps upstairs. The options are lazy, dog, always, upstairs, takes, naps, my dog. The answer is always upstairs. Rohan seldom quarrels with his classmates. The options are Rohan quarrels seldom his. The answer is seldom. My sister also speaks Spanish. The options are speaks Spanish, also, my. The answer is also. Read the sentences and choose the opposite of the bold adverb from the given options. The children are playing happily. The options are slowly, loudly, sadly, patiently. The answer is sadly. Choose the opposite of the bold adverb from the given options. The thief came into the house quietly. The options are slowly, silently, loudly, patiently. The answer is loudly. The shopkeeper spoke rudely. The options are beautifully, silently, politely, patiently. The answer is politely. Mohan did his homework neatly. The options are roughly, silently, clumsily, patiently. The answer is clumsily. Ritz is always late. The options are daily, sometimes, never, tomorrow. The answer is never. Choose the correct adverb. Neela will come dash to attend the meeting. Options are daily, sometimes, never, tomorrow. The answer is tomorrow. Neela will come tomorrow to attend the meeting. The sun shines dash. Options are bitterly, lowly, never, brightly. The answer is brightly. The sun shines brightly. Choose the correct adverb. My result was declared dash. Tomorrow, then, now, yesterday. The answer is yesterday. My result was declared yesterday. Come dash and sit beside me. Options are there, then, now, here. The answer is here. Choose the correct adverb. In which sentence is the word to used correctly? Hold it with two ants. This watermelon is too heavy. It's very slippery too. Well, hand it to me. The answer is well, hand it to me. Thank you.